Hi there. In this video, we're going to be looking at how venue administrators can set up and use the Book and Pay feature in Hallmaster. Book and Pay allows you to set up a fully automated process where customers can request a booking, pay for it, and receive confirmation without any admin involvement. As the venue administrator, you still have full control over bookings, but Book and Pay offers both you and your customers the convenience and flexibility to easily make, pay for, and have their bookings confirmed. By the end of this video, you'll know where to find the key settings and how to make sure Book and Pay works correctly for your venue. Before we activate anything, there are a few important points to be aware of. First, Book and Pay is not designed for recurring bookings. It's intended for one-off bookings only. Second, the way Book and Pay behaves can depend on how your venue is set up. For example, venues using the Remote Lock add-on or other integrations may have additional options that appear later in the process, while those not using these integrations won't see these options. It's a good idea to keep these points in mind as we go through the setup. To use Book and Pay, you'll first need to activate automatic invoices. This means that an invoice will be raised automatically when a booking request is made. To do this, from the Admin menu, go to the Charges matrix, then click on Manage Hire Charges and Conditional Rates. This may be more than one, or you can create a new one if needed. Many venues choose a default hire charge specifically for Book and Pay to keep things simple and consistent. Remember, you can also use a conditional rate to make sure the correct charge is applied to the booking. Here, select the pencil icon to edit the relevant hire charge. When editing the hire charge, look for the option labelled Raise Invoice on Booking Request, and make sure this box is ticked. This is essential for Book and Pay to work correctly, as it tells Hallmaster to automatically generate an invoice when a booking is made. Once this is done, save your changes. Next, we'll look at setting up auto confirmations for bookings. This is available if you have a payment integration set up for your venue, such as PayPal, Stripe, or Square. Go to Venue Settings on the left-hand side of your dashboard, and scroll down to General Settings. Here, you'll find the option labelled Enable Payment Integration Auto Confirm Bookings. You'll need to tick the first box to enable auto-update payments in order to activate the auto-confirm option. When auto-confirm is ticked, bookings will automatically move to a confirmed status once payment has been received. If this option is not enabled, or your customers are paying by backs or other methods, bookings may still require manual confirmation even after payment. Choose the option that best fits how you prefer to manage bookings. To make best use of the automation of Book and Pay, we'd recommend ticking this box. Remember, if you have extra integrations set up, such as Remote Lock for example, this information will be sent automatically in your usual booking confirmation email. So, for example, if you have a door lock code included in your booking confirmation email, this will automatically be sent to any customer that makes and pays for a booking. Now let's test the system out. The customer can choose their desired date, make their booking, and then immediately make a payment. Now you can see that the booking has been automatically confirmed. All Book and Pay bookings appear in your normal bookings list. You can go to Invoicing to view the invoice and payment status. You will also receive copies of any emails that are sent to the customer. And that's it! Setting up Book and Pay for your venue is a quick and easy process, and can save you and your venue huge amounts of time. Remember, if you need help with any of these steps, or have any other questions about Hallmaster, our support resources are always available via your dashboard. Alternatively, you can contact our team through the Contact Us button, or by emailing customerservices@hallmaster.co.uk or phoning 01929 509 846. Thanks for watching.